children. Please welcome Julia playing piano. I am playing Yure by Mozart. Please welcome Hayden, Dave, and Lisa reciting the poem, Whose Child Is This? Whose child is this? I asked one day, seeing a little one out of play. Mine, said the parent with a tender smile, mine to keep a little while, to bathe her hands and comb her hair, to tell her what she is to wear, to prepare her that she always might be great, and each day do the things she should. Whose child is this? I asked again as the door opened and someone came in. Mine, said the teacher with the same tender smile, mine to keep just for a little while, to teach her how to be gentle and kind, to train and direct her dear little mind, to help her live by every rule and get the best she can from school. Whose child is this? I asked once more, just as the little one entered the door. Ours, said the parent and teacher as they smiled, and each shook a hand of the little child. Ours to love and train together, ours is blessed as forever.
Parent-Teacher Conference recited by Leo and I. At the Parent-Teacher Conference, my father made a scene. He scared my fourth grade teacher with his mask from Halloween. She showed him all my science grades and said she was concerned, but he just stuck his tongue out when my teacher's back was turned.
He drew a monster on the board and claimed it was her twin. He even shook her soda, which exploded on her chin. Miss Juliana crossed her arms and said, "This meeting's done. I now see where he gets it from. You act just like your son."
Please welcome Lisa playing piano.
I'm going to be playing Match the Music and Chorus.
Step 1. Only raise your hand when you want to sharpen your pencil or use the bathroom. Repeat every 10 minutes.
Step 2. Never raise your hand when you want to answer a question. Instead, yell, "Ooh, ooh, ooh." And when the teacher calls on you, you say, "I forgot what I was going to say."
Step 3. Lean your chair back, take off your shoes, put your feet on your desk. Act surprised when your teacher puts all 4 legs of your chair back on the floor.
Step 4. Drop the eraser end of your pencil on your desk. See how high it will bounce. Step number 5. Drop your books on the floor and see how loud a noise you can make.
Get all your friends to join in.
Hold your nose, make a face, and say "pew." Stand the air away for your face and point and kid is fun to you. Step 8. On the last day of school, meet your classmates in chanting. No more pencils, no more books, no more teacher's dirty look. Step 9. Then on your way out the door, tell the teacher that you're looking forward to summer vacation this year. But I'll sure miss it. You're the best teacher I've ever had.
My Heroes poem, recited by Tiffany and Abby.
My teachers are my heroes. They are the captains of our teams. My classmates all adore them. They taught us all to dream. It's a dream of overcoming all the challenges we'll face. They help us build our confidence, prepare us for the race. It's a race into the future, to a place we don't know yet. We've got to be quite versatile, prepared for any foe. My teachers look for excellence. They say they'll take no less. Now then, challenge faces
out of the door of the gym. The coach and custodian shouted and ran out the door of the gym.
The lunch ladies threw up their ladles and fled from the kitchen gates, as all of the students were puzzled as the staff members scurried and raced. We never seen anything like it, but they're pretty darn cool to see all the staff members so excited to leave on the last day of school.
Russian poem, scrolling book.
Незаметно пролетел школьный этот год. Близятся каникулы, лето всех нас ждет. Всем учителям сейчас все спасибо скажем за нелегкий и сложный труд, за терпение ваше. Извините, что порой шумными бывали, и с контрольными хлопот много доставляли. Незаметно подрастем и серьезно станем, невнимательными тоже перестанем. Вам желаем отдохнуть на отличном летом, не скучайте себе без нас, просим вас об этом.
Карате качели.
Dance.